This was an over-the-top special experience. We were picked up at our hotel in Paracas and shuttled to an office in the middle of nowhere, given goggles and seat-belted into a dune buggy. Our driver took us over the dunes in a hurry to catch the sunset for photos and an opportunity to try sandboarding. But after dark we arrived at a surreal sight, the tent in the picture above with a hanging fire pit and kitchen/bar tent. Beautifully done. We had a drink by the fire, then were served wine with a barbecued dinner and home-canned peaches for dessert. The trip back was much shorter and less exciting, thank goodness, given our full stomachs. Highly recommended for a special occasion, truly memorable. Embark on a hands-on culinary adventure in the heart of Barranco, where you'll learn to prepare authentic Peruvian dishes under the guidance of a professional chef. This immersive cooking class introduces you to the secrets of renowned Peruvian cuisine and pairs each creation with carefully selected local wines, offering a true taste of Peru's gastronomic heritage. Begin the experience by making tiradito, a coastal dish of fresh raw fish with spicy and tangy sauces. Prepare causa limeña using yellow potatoes, ají, and lemon, with options for various fillings. Learn to craft handcrafted pasta with an Andean twist, connecting to Peru's culinary and Italian roots. Enjoy a surprise dessert served by the restaurant as a delightful conclusion to your gourmet journey.